Hey Poppy, what are you doing? What is this? Oh, look at that. Scentsy came today with my Whiff box. Look at that. Check it out. Whiff box. Hey, it's me, Mr. Geo. I'm with Scentsy. We want to check out Whiff box. Poppy already barking. This is the Whiff box from July. And what I got here is a fragrance flower oil for happy birthday scents. And it comes with a flower. It pops open and this is a flower. It's a flower. That flower it goes on top of the fragrance oil right here. And it's just smells good. Great. I got some jars here. We got a Honey Crisp Harvest, a Welcome Home, a Baked Apple Pie, and a Clean Breeze. Awesome. These smell really great. These are good. Alright, car jars. We got a sugar cookie, and we got a Sun Kissed Citrus. Great. What else we got this month? That is it. That's Whiff box for this month. And it came with a fragrance flower oil thing with a flower and 2 car jars. Boom. And 4 bars. That's Whiff box. And let's take a look here. Cheers to 20 years Whiff box. Poppy say, hey. That's Scentsy for July. It was me, Mr. Geo. Thanks for watching.